Hey guys, what's going on? Lucy here. So today it's my time to unbox a used Google Pixel 3a in 2024. And so without further ado, let's get started. So here's the box. As you can see, nothing. Let's open it up. Ooh, here's the phone. Let's see the condition. This is my first time ever holding the Pixel phone in my life. Quite nice for the screen, and for the back, good condition, because I chose this unit of scratch plus shadow display. Seems good for the condition, very nice. Black color, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage. Just black color. Let's see what else. A charger. A fake Vivo charger. This is not a Malaysian type, as you can see. That's why the seller gave this to me. It's like this. And the Type-C cable is like Samsung one, but it's not original. That's cool. Wow, looks so great. There's some scratch, especially on the side, on this area too, because it used a plastic for the body, but still solid for me. Very light. Alright, the phone itself already been set up by me. Now let's check out the UI. This is the lock screen and the home screen. Running on the latest version Android 12. As you can see, the screen display is purple color, and I can see the background. It has a Google Pixel 3a logo, if you can see it there. But it's okay, I've choose this type, so no problem for me. And this is the cheapest one, and also the cheapest Pixel I've ever seen in my life. So now let's go to setting. Pixel 3a. That's nice. Very smooth UI. I really like its animation. Wow, the camera. Wow, so clear, you know. And for the selfie, wow. This is my first time Pixel phone ever in my collection. So maybe future another Pixel, Pixel 1, any Pixel, Pixel 4 and so on one day. So far this one is really great, no problem at all, even though it has a problem on the screen, which is like burn in shadow, so no problem. As long as the phone still can use, no problem for me. So before I end this video, you can give your feedback for this unboxed used Google Pixel 3a in 2024 in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on this video. Goodbye and have a nice day.